Dear friends from Cwmni, unfortunately I cannot be with you today, but I would like to send you from all of us in Germany the best wishes. Thank you very much for the great cooperation on fireworks, on the war, for adults, for kids, on the projects we are doing, on the projects we will do in the future. Thanks a lot for everything, and good luck with your great new building. All the best.
Hi guys, Evan Chamberlain here from Good Company Productions here in Dublin, Ireland. I'd like to wish everybody in Cwmni a great day today at the opening of their new offices. I've had a great relationship with Cwmni over the last 4 years working on the Ferm Factor format, and I wish you all the very, very best of the years to come in your new premises. Have a great day, a great night. Buin Tad na Vas, Slán ó Baile Clia Éirinn.
Congratulations on your new offices, Cwmni. Hope I got that right. At least I know what it means. It means the good company, and that is exactly what you are. A very good production company which all of us here at Nordic will enjoy working with. I want to thank you for the faith in us. Thank you for placing the distribution of Ferm Factor with us. It will premiere on Danish television in a month, and soon it will be available for Chinese people to see and enjoy, and we look very much forward to that as well. And I'm sure that many more territories will follow after that. I sincerely hope that this is just the very start of a long and fruitful working relationship between our companies, and we all look forward to exploring future titles with you. Wish I was there to celebrate with you today. Unfortunately I can't be, but I wish you a great day and a great celebration, and all the best. Bye.
Hi Newydd, it's Mauricio from Brazil. I am the Indian tribe and do a very good documentary near Young Mountain. This is the Yanomamis, and I'm here to say good luck in your new office. Hey guys, say hey. Hey everybody.
Mae o'n briliant, mae o'n fawr, well lawan ar y crab lle arall na. A pawb yn glen wrth eithon nhw'n nabod i rioed de. Lle annwl iawn, maen nhw ddigon o sioe. Bob un wan, ond dim ots i pa rŵm o'n i'n mynd, oedden nhw'n nabod i, maen nhw'n annwl iawn i gyd. A mae o le ffantastig de.